Alright, the csgo $40 build. It's a Nobilis computer. I never heard of it. It has Core 2 Duo at 2.4 gigahertz, and it has 2 gigs of RAM, DDR2, and I'm going to put a 5750 in it and see if we can't get 1080p out of this on CSGO. Built for Windows XP. Yeah. That's what sold me on that. I got original disc now. Nobilis computer here. Never heard of Nobilis, but it's an Intel board. That's what I wanted right there was the power supply. I got another build going on, so I figured there's probably a few more parts in here I could use. There's 2 gigs of DDR2 I can use on a different machine I have. That's a 160 gigabyte hard drive. It runs real hot. It's really old. I re-thermal pasted the CPU and the north bridge. Those were actually really hot. But that's to be expected from an older machine when the thermal paste all flaked off. But here I am scrubbing it up. I like to keep all my electronics clean as best I can. I like to take care of stuff, and you guys should take care of your stuff as well, because heat will kill electronics. Of course, you all know that. So I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm just going to find a tune to put on here and let this CSGO go and see what it does.